Hello, welcome back to another Cornish Surf Campers video. It's been a bit quiet recently, so I just thought I'd give you a quick update on what I've been doing for the past week or so, which is mainly this. Now this van came to me without a pop top but with everything else in. I haven't done the units, they were done when the customer bought the van. A little while ago I did fit this rock and roll bed, the Smart Beds Evo 2. Love those things, really good value, versatile bed. That's not what I've been doing this week though. This week I have been removing all of that so I could fit that. So there we have the Drivelodge pop top now fitted to this van. I had to take all the interior out because there's a large metal frame that goes in. You will probably have seen that on my previous video where I detail actually fitting the roof itself. Let's take you for a quick tour inside this one. There it is inside, got the roof bed, put some lights in there, and I'll show you how I did that now. Right, in case you're wondering, you're probably not, but in case you're wondering how I get the lights in the bed without seeing any cabling, surface mounted or anything like that, it's like this. So I've got here, there we go, there you can see it. I've started to router out the hole where the back of the light is going to go on here as well. And I've also got a ring which is going to be mounted on here just to lift the light slightly out. Then on this side, this is the top side of the bed. You can see that groove which is routed out. It goes to a hole there and a hole there. Now they're the holes where the cables are going to go through to behind the lights. The cables will be taped down and then carpeted going over here. The cable comes out the back there, and where they come out the back of the bed, they will go through this groove here. This is the hinge point. So the hinges are going to sit there like that. And then the cable will come out, go through here, and the connections will be made in here. And I'll put a nice cover plate on top, which is also carpeted. Right, here's how it looks just before I put the lights in. Now it's carpeted. So, you can see the cables through there now. Got a raised section just because these are fairly deep, these ones. This gets connected up and that sits in there. So as usual, this is on gas ram, so you can just give a quick push, get the internal bed up and out of the way. Got a nice window at the front there, vents at the side. This is one with the optional zip open, so you can actually open the whole canopy up and clip it up at the side there, so you've got a full view out there. I won't do that now. And bed comes down, bed sleeping space, and lights up in the top as well. Then it was a case of putting everything back in, and the customer's about to pick it up. So that has been my last week or so, nearly 2 weeks actually, just because of the little things cropping up in the workshop. See you next time.